how to reset Google Photos settings using the latest version of the app. Before we begin, it's important to know that Google Photos doesn't include a single reset settings button. Instead, you'll need to manually change your settings back to their default preferences. To get started, open the Google Photos app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, go to Photos settings. From here, you can review and adjust options such as backup, notifications, sharing, privacy, and other available settings. If you've changed any of these in the past, simply switch them back to your preferred or default configuration. If you're trying to fix an issue with the app, another option is to clear the app's cache or storage from your phone's app settings. Keep in mind that clearing app data may require you to sign in again and reconfigure your preferences, but it won't delete the photos stored in your Google Photos Cloud library. And that's it. That's how you can effectively reset your Google Photos settings and troubleshoot common app issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Photos tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.